you are watching the YouTube video, make sure that I'm going to upload that video eventually. All right, so here we are. So we just did a translation. So think about this. Segment AD and segment A prime D prime are what we call corresponding, okay? And this is what you need to identify. At the same time, let's focus on this B, angle B. So angle B, its corresponding angle is B prime. You know, at this point of time it seems obvious, but there are situations when you will need to identify it. You know, you need to do it. You need to kind of think about it, and in your mind do all the transformations you need to make sure which segment is corresponding to which segment, which angle is corresponding to which angle, right? So it's because they are in the same position. So now what I'm going to do, second thing, is I'm going to reflect a reflection of the let's say I'm going to do a reflection of this. Oh, wait a minute, I need to erase this. We're going to take the original one, this one, the polygon ABCD, and I'm going to, you know, you think about a door when you have the hinges and it's rotating about where the line where the hinges are. So we are going to take this shape, this polygon, and I'm going to rotate it about the y-axis, and you will see what happens. So I'm going to take this, rotate, reflect, I'm sorry, reflect, and I'm going to reflect it about a line, okay? So this reflection is going to be about the y-axis, so I'm going to choose the object I want to reflect, and then I'm going to choose what I call the line of reflection, and this is what you see. Okay, probably you don't see it because, okay, here we are. All right, now you see that figure, that polygon here, A prime 1, B prime 1, and so on. It's right here, and again, what I want you to take a look is at the corresponding segments and angles. So example, look at segment BC, all right, over here from the original shape. Then I take a look at this one, and even though it's reflected, so it means that it was flipped over, then I can recognize that C prime B and B prime Y are corresponding sides. Okay, that's what I want you to notice. Also, for example, if I take a look at angle A, this interior angle right here, what is its corresponding one? So it means that it's going to be right here, A prime 1. That's what I want you to recognize. Finally, this is what happens. I'm going to take, is someone talking over here? No? Are we good? All right. Sorry, I thought I heard someone talking. So I'm going to, finally, third thing to take into account, I'm going to take this figure, the one that has been reflected, yeah, and I'm going to rotate it, okay? And I'm going to rotate it about the origin, and these rotations are going to be about the origin. But before that, I'm going to locate a point right here, and this is what is going to happen, guys. Rotate about a point. I'm going to choose this shape, this polygon, and rotate it about point F, and I'm going to make a clockwise 90-degree rotation, and let's see where it gets. All right, look at this. Oh yeah, clockwise. Oh yeah, wait a minute, what did I do? Sorry. I chose a 90-degree counterclockwise in here. So let me show you where it is. So look, now take a look at this new figure, this polygon JIHG, and please compare it to the original one we had. And this is what I want to focus on. Can you see that this shape, this polygon, has been reflected and then rotated, and this is where we need to be careful in identifying which side is corresponding to which side, which angle is corresponding to which angle, right? So this is where you have to, kind of develop this skill or ability of doing this identification. So as you can see, what I just did was erasing the other figure, the one that I translated, so we can see what is going on here, right? So when you see it that way, you see, wait a minute, it looks a little bit weird, right? But anyway, you know, it is right here, and you say that AD side is corresponding to G, so, sorry, to GJ, yeah, and DC is corresponding to JI, angle H is corresponding to angle B, and so on. That is what I want you to recognize, okay? If you are good at doing that, we're okay, okay? That's what I want you to learn for this section 12.2, okay? So I'm going to stop the video for those